Today we're doing 4.8 complex numbers day 2, and our learning goal is that you will be able to find pure imaginary solutions and imaginary solutions. So some quadratic equations have pure imaginary solutions, so let's look at those types. Let me change my color. So I'm going to solve this by finding the square root. So I'm going to subtract 32, divide by 2, square root both sides. So x would equal plus or minus, remember negative 16 is square root of negative 1 times the square root of 16, which will give me plus or minus 4i. And that's your solution. We'll call this example 1a. And then you can try, make sure you got it. X squared plus 15 equals 0. So try this one and check your answer. So I isolated the x squared, square root of both sides, and remember you don't have to show this step. You can go straight to the answer. And I got plus or minus I square root of 15. Don't forget the plus or minus. Okay, and then some quadratic equations have solutions that are imaginary. So pure imaginary means there's no real number with it. So I'm going to use quadratic formula. A is 2, B is negative 3, and C is 5. So I'm going to use the formula. X equals the opposite of B, plus or minus square root. B squared minus 4AC all over 2 times A. So under the square root, I'm going to get 9 minus 40 over 4. That's going to give me negative 31. And I'll break that down to I square root of 31. And when you write your answer, you separate the real number and the imaginary. And there you have it. So I want you to try the next one. So try this problem and then check your answer after you're done. Okay, so I identified A, B, and C. I plugged everything into my formula. And simplifying under the square root, I got the square root of negative 4, which is 2i. I divided each term by 2, and my answer was 2 plus or minus I. And that is it for 4.8 day 2.